Here we are underneath the car. Of course, we have the headers removed. J pipe, intermediate pipe. Loosen taking out the transmission mount nuts. Now we're going to remove that nut, holds the motor mount to this cross member. Same on the other side. And of course we'll loosen these. And once we get the car or the engine up in the air some, we'll be able to reach the back. See, I've already got the passenger side motor mount out. That was the easy side. This is a pain in the butt, just so you know. Anyhow, I'm going to set this up so hopefully you can see on the driver's side. I'm trying to do this without having to remove the steering rack and the bracket, like Subi speed video. I think I've got it busted loose on the back side here, and I am hoping I won't have to take this out. Should see that right there. That's what you're aiming for. And here's the problem. That's why if you loosen up the steering rack, probably get that out of the way, more easily get a socket and a breaker bar in there, or a cheater bar on your ratchet. I was able to, after about 20 minutes of messing with this, I had to switch to the 1/2-inch drive ratchet. I couldn't get it any other way really with 3/8. I just didn't, my breaker bar wasn't long enough to get out here. Yeah, let me set this up and finish taking this driver's side out. Bring the cameras in back. Now, just get the ropes apart. Of course, if your header's in the way, this would be difficult. Very, very difficult. That's it. Got them out. Okay. Here's the Torque Solution motor mount. Here's the stock motor mount. This is a lot more rigid for sure. Like some of the other brands, you have to insert that spacer. This, it's part of the unit. Nice. Alright. get these in. Okay, this is the rear of the driver's side. This is kind of a pain. If you have a stubby ratchet, you want to make use of it. With the stock mount out of the way, you can get your hand around the other side from the front to assist ratcheting this up. I'm going to snug this up, snug the front up. Okay, we've got the driver's side in. And over here, we'll install the passenger side. One thing to notice when you're installing these, see that shape right here, it ridges up. Put that towards the oil pan on both sides. Otherwise you'll have these backwards and the angle won't be right. So remember this shape here towards the oil pan on both. It's got a different little ridge here. All right, let's get this out. So we've installed the torque solution motor mounts on both sides now. We've torqued it down to the block here and to the frame right there. 25.8 foot-pounds, 65 foot-pounds to the frame. I tried to film this while I was lowering the motor. It takes some persuasion. You got to rock it back and forth to get it to fall back into place. Left the transmission nuts off because I'm going to be changing that transmission mount here shortly. But those would be 25.8 foot-pounds as well. This was a pain in the butt. Patience and good luck.